Finding a certified specialist for Mercedes transmission malfunction. Repair to ensure your vehicle meets factory standards. Selecting a certified technician ensures your Mercedes transmission receives accurate diagnosis and factory-approved repair procedures. Professional expertise protects vehicle performance reliability and long-term drivetrain durability. Identifying transmission malfunction symptoms. Common warning signs include delayed gear engagement, slipping gears, and harsh shifting during acceleration. Unusual grinding noises or dashboard alerts in your Mercedes-Benz indicate possible transmission control system faults. Risks of improper transmission repairs. Unqualified repairs may cause further internal damage and reduce overall transmission lifespan. Incorrect servicing can void warranty coverage and negatively affect resale value. Importance of factory training and diagnostic tools. Certified specialists receive manufacturer-specific training to handle advanced automatic and dual-clutch transmissions. They use factory diagnostic software to analyze transmission control module data accurately. Comprehensive inspection and testing process. Professional diagnosis includes fluid condition analysis, electronic scanning, and controlled road testing. Identifying root causes prevents temporary fixes and ensures long-term repair success. Use of genuine OEM parts. Certified repair centers install genuine components designed to meet factory engineering standards. Proper part selection ensures smooth shifting, consistent performance, and optimal transmission longevity. Conclusion: choosing a certified specialist guarantees repairs meet original manufacturing specifications and performance expectations. Timely professional transmission service prevents major mechanical failure and costly complete replacements. Investing in expert repair services preserves driving comfort, reliability, and long-term vehicle value.